Hello to standard students, welcome back to chapter 1 applications of matrices and determinants. Today we are going to see example 1.12. Orthogonal is there is given orthogonal. They have asked us to find A, B and C. This is going to be our question number 1 and also find A inverse. So two questions we are going to answer. Okay. For that we are going to use the orthogonal property. A square matrix A is called orthogonal if A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to T. So we are going to use this one and this one. Okay, any two you can use. They have given A as 1 by 7 into and they have given some ABC in it. Now first we will find out A transpose for this. Okay, what is our A transpose? 1 by 7 is going to remain the same, and here this row is going to become as column. So 6 minus 3A, second row, B minus 2, 6, third row, 2, C and 3. This is our orthogonal. Now we are going to multiply A transpose. What is our A? 1 by 7 into 6 minus 3A, B minus 2, 6, 2C3. What is our A transpose? Again 1 by 7 into 6B2 minus 3 minus 2C, A 6 and 3. Okay. So now you are going to take 1 by 7 and 1 by 7 together. So it is going to become as 1 by 49. And this side it is equal to I3, isn't it? So here I3 you are going to write it as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if we equate annually we will get the equation and we are going to find ABC. Okay. So this is 1 by 49 into 6 minus 3A, B minus 2, 6, 2C3. This is our A. What is our A transpose? 6B2 minus 3 minus 2C, A 6 and 3. So equal to our identity matrix of order 3. So this 49 when it goes to right hand side it becomes as multiplication. Okay, so this will become as 49, 49, 49. Now row into column we are going to multiply. Okay, so what is it? We are going to get this first one 46 plus 9. It is going to be 36 plus 9 is going to become B 45 plus A square is our first element. Now first row into our second column 6B plus 6 plus 6A. So 6B plus 6 plus 6A. Now third column you are going to get it as 12 minus 3C plus 3A. So these are the three elements. And this side it is going to be 49 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay. So our second row it is going to be 6B plus 6 plus 6A. Second row with second column it is going to be B square plus 4 plus 36 is going to be plus 40. Third one 2B minus 2C plus 18. Now coming to the third row, first column it is going to be 6 into 6 it is going to be 12, 6 2s are 12 minus 3C plus 3A. Second column 2B minus 2C plus 18. And our third one it is going to be 4 plus 9. Okay, and C square, isn't it? So 4 plus 9 is going to give you C square plus 13. So this is our A into A transpose. Now you will get these equations. So this one and this one and this one will take first. So it is the diagonal elements. So 45 plus A square equal to 49. Similarly B square plus 40 equal to 49 and C square plus 13 equal to 49. Okay, so from this you will get A square equal to 49 minus 45, it is going to be 4. Similarly B square is equal to 49 minus 40 is going to be 9 and C square is equal to 49 minus 13 is going to be 36. So you will get for A plus or minus 2, and for B plus or minus 3, and for C it is plus or minus 6. Now we have got the other equation, so we are going to equate the other equations now. This one, 6B plus 6 plus 6A equal to 0. Similarly, this one, 12 minus 3C plus 3A equal to 0. And this one, you can take any three, okay. So 2B minus 2C plus 18 equal to 0. Okay, we are going to find out ABC. Now here if you put, if you divide by 6, you will get it as B plus 1 plus A equal to 0, which implies B plus A equal to minus 1. So here B plus A equal to minus 1, when will you get B plus, this is 2 minus 2, this is 3 minus 3, this is 6 minus 6. Now you should get minus 1 means the greater number should be minus sign. So B should be minus 3 and A should be 2. Then only you will get this minus 1. So from this we can decide B equal to minus 3 and A equal to 2. Okay. So C and A we have got. We have got B and A. We are going to find out C from here. So 12 minus 3C plus 3 into 2 equal to 0. 6 plus 12, 18. So minus 3C equal to minus 18. Minus and minus gets cancelled. So C is equal to plus 6. Okay. So from this you are going to take only plus 6. Now we will see whether this satisfies this equation. Our B is minus 3. So minus 6 and C into minus 2 into 6 will give you minus 12 plus 18, that is equal to 0. So this satisfies our equation. Therefore our A equal to 2, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to 6 are the final values. Out of the two values we are going to take this. So we can write our A now. Okay. So what is our matrix A? It is going to be 6 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 6 and 2 6 3, as well as you have got outside one 1 by 7. Okay. And now we should get A inverse, isn't it? Now from this property A inverse equal to A inverse A equal to I. And we have got our transpose property here also the same thing, isn't it? Here A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to I. This is also equal to I, this is also equal to I. So this should be equal to this should be equal to this. So equating A inverse equal to A transpose, you will get A inverse equal to A transpose. Therefore our A inverse is nothing but our A transpose. Okay, 1 by 7 into, writing it as row into column, 6 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 2 6 2 6 3. So this is going to be our A inverse. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, thank you.